elegant.
This time to awaken my dragon, unleashing Morningstar. This is a serious game.
Taking you to fame, let's go.
She held me up after months of carrying me. She smiled at me, her joy has finally come. She prays for me, that's how I shine on me, mate. Her love was pure, my first love will ever remain. She gave me all I care, she had no time for herself. She made sacrifices just to see me live better. Mother, for the rest of my life, I will cherish you. Mother, for the rest of my life, I will care for you. Mother, for the rest of my life, I'm your legacy. I was a white cat, no one could tame me. I had my inner demon, making me a menace. Mama's love became my remedy. I should have been a spoiled child, if not for mama's sake. Now I'm grown up, I have so many trials. The weight of the world is on me, it's really choking me. She's always there for me, she gives me all her support. She's my backbone, my loving prayer warrior.